Shania, let's go. We need to record a video.
Patience.
I'm all ready. She doesn't get dressed up. So that's how it's going in our house today. How are you all doing? Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Let's go. We're gonna see you in our room now. Today we're doing the smoothie challenge. What we have done is we've taken 5 good ingredients and 5 gross ingredients. So we have all of them written in chits. As usual, we're gonna do the rock, paper, scissors and we get to pick chits one at a time. Then we're gonna blend them and both of us get milk. So that's about it. And the Nushne take on it is that after we're done creating our disgusting smoothies, which they're probably gonna be, just look at our ingredients. Then the challenge is, the chef part of it is, we have to fix the smoothies, make them delicious, but the entire pantry is open. So we can use whatever we want to use, but we have to make the disgusting smoothies delicious. Disgusting, delicious. So we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors first, and we're gonna pick up chits, whoever wins. And whoever wins, that person's smoothie is made first. And the quantities will be put by the other. So if I get, say, coffee, then basically Shania will put the quantities of the ingredients in my smoothie bowl and I will do it for her.
It's a little confusing, but you'll understand when you see it.
So let's do it. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won.
That's the 3.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won. Can we done this?
Yeah.
No, come on. Don't be. Okay. That's why she's an entire layer of that. Okay, put it up.
Pineapple.
That's not fair. Why? Soya sauce. How will I make a smoothie? I don't think you need to put milk. I have enough more liquid. How will I make a smoothie? Okay, thank you. That was nice.
Okay.
Okay.
My turn?
Yeah. It looks like I'm gonna have some Japanese, Chinese kind of dish.
Pink salt.
Okay, that's okay. Fine, I think I have to go. Honey, can I put my own honey, please?
No.
Please.
No, you pass it.
That's really mean. You put a lot of it? Just do a few more, just like keep on. Come on, honey. Yeah. That's how I'm gonna do this. All the soya sauce. But we can try.
That's why I put
But
so
we can
much.
try.
Okay, my turn.
Yeah. All I want is chocolate powder, that some flavor gets killed, or some coffee maybe. So,
Oh, okay, so we put one chit in there, in which we can, it says surprise. So what is the surprise?
No, you can choose your price. We can also get Oreos if you want. Okay. If you like Oreos, we will choose your price.
I'm fine with
Okay,
it.
great.
Okay.
That's a pretty damn good smoothie.
Your turn. Actually, no, I want to change my surprise.
It's
No,
done
I want to change it.
Coffee.
I want
Put
peanut
coffee.
butter.
It's done. Come on, put coffee.
Oh, yeah, coffee. Do you want it?
No, it's fine. Just
You just want it? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Coffee might be
Teaspoon of it.
later.
Yeah, teaspoon of it. Oh.
I think that's a little too much. Okay, your turn.
Go, I just make a coffee. I made that chicken out of hard work, but okay.
Chocolate powder. This is like payback for when Anushka cheated with her blindfold. So I'm going to go with the good ingredients now.
You really want to start that fight. You really want to start that fight. She is the only one who keeps cheating. Oh my God. So I don't get pasta sauce and apple cider vinegar. This was N-word for me anyway. At this point, pasta sauce.
I'm going to make a savory smoothie.
How would I make this delicious without eating this one? And the milk has to go. Milk. That's enough. I think that's good. I think that's red sauce sriracha in there. You want to try now? Stop it. Okay, so now my smoothie
Oh, so apple cider vinegar.
thing is made. Okay, so my smoothie is ready. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look bad at all. It looks pretty good actually.
It looks like coffee.
Yeah, like the coffee's like totally taken over the color. It smells like you would imagine it smells. Exactly like that. So now we're gonna make Shania's smoothie. We have all her ingredients. So she had apple cider vinegar, pink salt, Oreos, chocolate powder, and pineapples. Are you ready? You have pretty good ingredients. How scared could you possibly
I'm
be?
not scared, but it could go bad.
It really couldn't, honestly. At this point, you have Oreos and milk and chocolate powder. Really? Honestly? Shanya's smoothie looks grosser, even though she got the better ingredient.
And it smells even worse.
It does smell really bad. Mine smells, honestly, mine looks really good. It looks like a
Coffee and caramel coffee.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. It smells not very good, but it looks fine. So let's taste. Cheers.
Cheers.
So as predicted, since you saw my gag reflexes, it was disgusting. Disgusting. How was yours?
Mine just tastes of apple cider vinegar. It can be fixed, but I don't think hers can be fixed.
I'm gonna try mine off camera.
I think hers is not fixable.
So now we're gonna go and try to fix them. We'll be back. Our smoothies. Mine looks pretty good. It looks like a frappuccino, iced coffee, something like that. Like it looks pretty cool. It looks fine. It smells like coffee.
An Oreo milkshake.
Yeah, it looks like it's
but it doesn't taste anything like an Oreo milkshake.
So we fixed it. We've tried to. So cheers.
Should we try each other?
No, I'm happy trying mine. Thank you. Mine tastes like coffee. There's a bit of like the bitter aftertaste to it, but it's fine. It's pretty good actually. I'm pretty
Mine's
impressed.
like pure condensed milk with like a touch of Oreos, even though I put so many, and apple cider vinegar.
Okay, so I'm gonna try mine, I'll try yours, and we'll decide who wins the challenge.
It smells like coffee.
I think I'll win the challenge.
Yours tastes like spicy cold coffee. It's good.
So, who wins? I think we need to build a Team Nush dance. Where every time I win,
I'll just do it with her.
I won again, I won. Shania is a loser. She keeps losing. Whoa.
So join the smoothie challenge with us. Make sure you like our videos, share it, and subscribe to our channel.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.